I'm back in Bondi today, heading to lunch at Panama House. It's a really cute little Latin American restaurant on Bondi Road. I love Mexican and South American food, and it's a little bit fun, so I'm going to create a nice summery makeup look that's just as perfect for a fiesta as it is for a fun night out on the margaritas. Now, I love this CC cream. It's by IT Cosmetics, which you can buy from Sephora. It's one of my go-tos for a really natural look day to day. It blends beautifully on the skin and it still lets a few freckles show through, so it's not too heavy. This By Terry concealer pen is really clever. The tip is shaped a bit like a diamond, so it allows you to go really close to the inner corners of your eyes where it can get blue and shadowy. I also put it on my eyelids as well to make a base for my eyeshadow, and then I blend a little on some other imperfections on my face. This palette is super handy. It's a brow powder palette by Guerlain, which I use obviously for filling in my brows, but I also often use the darkest brown colours as an eyeliner. I can even use the other shades as eyeshadows. I love products that do two things. You save so much room in your handbag. I use a wedge brush. This one is by Amy Jean Eye Couture. It's a really nice and soft, so it doesn't hurt when you use it around the eyes. Some of them can be a little bit stiff and they can drag the skin around your eyes, which you don't want. This is another awesome brush. It's the new retractable brush from Chanel. I think I need a little bit more depth around the eyes, so I'm going to do a very fine liquid line using this Ico liner. It's chocolate brown again, so it's still very subtle. This little Guerlain palette is coming in handy again, as it has a pink luminizing shade that I can use on my brow bone to help define my brows and make my eyes pop. Then I'm going to use this taupe shade mixed with a bit of the dark brown just in the socket line of my eyes. This gives my eyes a little bit more definition. Then add some mascara. This one's by Charlotte Tilbury. It's really volumizing. And Tom Ford Shade and Illuminate blush palette is gorgeous, as it has two shades, a peachy glow for the apples of your cheeks, and then it has this really nice pearlescent pink for the tops of your cheekbones. Before you wear a bright lip colour or any kind of strong lip colour, it's really important to prep your lips with a little bit of balm. So this is Balm.com by Glossier. I'm using the excess on my cuticles as well. Never waste excess gloss, your cuticles need love too. So now it's time to put my lip colour on. This is Hourglass Lip Stilo in this awesome coral orange shade. I'm going to add a tad more bronzer now as I'm feeling pretty summery, just in time for my mushroom tacos and chicken salad to arrive. Bon appetit!